video,
we will give you some tips
on how you can ace your personal statement. So, let's go!
Alright, so you may think that, oh, it's so hard for me, I can't do this, I'm not ready.
You just have to get started and then it will work by itself.
It's actually a great way for you to express your creativity.
All you have to do is to be yourself and to show your own personality.
Your personal statement is a chance for you to tell us who you are, what is your personality and your motivations.
Tell them who you are.
Tell us about you. We want to know, what is your personality like? What are your aspirations? What are your motivations? Tell us everything you could in your CV. Your statement should be about 1 page long. If it's a bit longer than that, it's okay, but 1 page is more than enough. Tell us about you, about your background, about your international exposure.
For example, if you lived in many countries, speak many languages.
Hablas español?
Enchanté de te rencontrer.
Do you speak English?
Danke wel.
Any experience like volunteering, work, personal projects. This is the kind of things we would like to find out. But most importantly, why are you motivated to join the Bachelor in Management program and why ESCP?
With the ESCP Bachelor program, you get to meet ambitious students and really broaden your passion.
What does ECP mean to you?
3 years, 3 countries, 3 cities.
The best way to conclude your personal essay.
To show the best version of yourself.
Think of it as an advertisement, for example, like a slogan.
Be optimistic, say, yes, I'm self-confident and I fit into this program.
And don't underestimate the importance of the last sentence.
It provides your final impression to the admission team, so do not neglect it.
We are here to help you, so send your draft for a free review and personalized tips.
We hope these tips were helpful.
And hopefully we'll meet the next few years. See you around.
Good luck!
Arrivederci.
Au revoir.
Adios!